Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you my cake pan spread. In my last video, I taught you the red velvet recipe that I've sold for over 10 years. And many of you asked me to share the cake pan spread that I used in the video. So here it is. The wonderful thing is that it's got a long shelf life. If this recipe is too much for you, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a half recipe for it as well. This is actually a half recipe for what I normally make, but I can show you an even smaller one. First, let's start with the items you need. You're gonna need either a stand-up or a handheld mixer, but you need a whisk attachment. You need 2 cups regular flour, half a cup vegetable oil, 2 cups shortening, and a spatula. In one of my last videos, somebody asked what is shortening. You can use any brand, it doesn't have to be Crisco, but here is an example of shortening. Okay, you wanna add all of the ingredients into the bowl at the same time. And then you want to connect the whisk attachment, lift it up, and start it slow. Don't start it fast because it's gonna fling all the ingredients out. Start it slow and then gradually pick up the pace. I'm gonna go to the next speed now. So this is up 2 more. I'm gonna go up 1 more. And then 1 more. Let it go for just a few minutes. You see how it's coming together? When it gets to that point, shut it off. Bring it down and scrape down the sides. This is to make sure that it's fully incorporated. If you have some shortening stuck on here, you can get that off. And then we're gonna turn it back on to a really high speed. I'm gonna bring it up to 6. Let's look at it. See it? Nice cake pan spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. That way you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'm shooting for at least one every weekend.